You're about to see how a small, empty home turned into a warm and fully functional space. When a home starts bare, it may seem easy to imagine, but in reality, choosing the right furniture and layout can quickly become challenging. So every decision matters, from where the sofa sits to how kitchen storage is arranged, because good planning changes how the space works. In this transformation, you'll see how this client's small home is carefully planned into a comfortable living room, dining area, and kitchen, with ideas you can apply to improve your own space. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today, and let's design your dream home together. If you're designing a small living area like this, the goal is to establish a comfortable seating and entertainment zone while keeping circulation open for the rest of the home. Let's start with the base finishes. The ceiling uses a flat ceiling design with mounted linear lighting, keeping the ceiling visually clean and modern. You can choose a beige wall color to keep the space warm while allowing the furniture and textures to stand out. The flooring uses continuous engineered wood planks, which help the small home feel more open and cohesive. Next, add the main furniture piece in the seating area. A warm, rust orange fabric sofa defines the main lounge zone while still allowing comfortable walking space around it. Accent pillows add softness and subtle color contrast, making the seating area feel more layered and inviting. In front of the sofa, a wood coffee table anchors the seating arrangement and provides a practical surface for everyday items. Small decor pieces such as plants or stacked books introduce personality without crowding the table. You can also add a low-pile area rug to help group the furniture together so the layout feels intentional. Create a corner lounge zone featuring vertical fluted wall panels that introduce texture and visual depth to the wall. Placed in front is a swivel lounge accent chair that expands the seating without making the space feel cramped. Beside the chair, a layered side table provides a convenient spot for plants or decorative objects. To maximize vertical space, install floating shelves and corner shelving, both with LED strip lighting. These provide display space for decorative items without occupying valuable floor area. You can hang a large wall art piece with a slim picture light to prevent the wall from feeling empty while introducing visual character to the room. Additional lighting helps make the living area more comfortable in the evening. A pleated floor lamp provides warm ambient lighting, while an open-weave pendant light brightens the center of the living space. Then comes the entertainment wall, designed with horizontal details that create a structured backdrop. You can mount a flat-screen TV, keeping the floor clear and maintaining a clean visual line. Below it, a modern electric fireplace adds warmth and creates a cozy visual centerpiece. A wooden console cabinet in mixed tones stores media equipment while keeping the wall visually light and uncluttered. To finish the living area setup, layered curtains provide privacy and warmth at night. With these elements combined, the living area now feels organized, warm, and balanced. The estimated total cost is around $3,800 to $4,000, and similar furniture can be found in the product tags if you want to recreate a similar look in your own space. If you have a tight space, you can create a clearly defined dining area where meals and conversations can happen comfortably without disrupting the flow of the living area. A simple way to establish the zone is by placing a rectangular dining table with a wood top. Its clean lines provide enough surface for everyday meals while keeping the layout compact for a small home. Around the table, upholstered dining chairs in muted green tones add comfort and softness to the setup. For better lighting, woven rattan drum pendant lights visually anchor the dining zone. It draws attention downward, helping define the dining space even in an open-plan layout. You can also use the layered curtains similar to the living area for cohesive design. To soften the corner of the room, place tall indoor plants that introduce greenery and natural texture. To further define the transition between the dining area and kitchen, you can install a vertical open shelving divider in warm wood finish. This feature subtly separates the spaces while having a place that can hold small decor pieces and personal collection items. So now, the dining area feels clearly defined and well integrated in a small open-plan space. The estimated total cost for this dining setup is around $1,700 to $2,000. Before redesigning this kitchen, you can already see that it has a good structure and layout to begin with. The light quartz countertop, white backsplash, fixture placement, and warm green cabinetry already provide a strong foundation for the space. Because of this, the goal of the redesign is not to completely change the kitchen, but to complete it by adding more functional and visual elements that improve storage, organization, and overall flow. Start the design by introducing a subtle wall texture finish to add depth and visual contrast to the kitchen wall. For additional storage, install extra upper cabinets in the same warm green finish, extending the storage upward while keeping the design consistent with the existing cabinetry. These cabinets continue toward both sides of the kitchen wall. A side cabinet can be added to house a compact oven, allowing the appliance to feel integrated rather than sitting on the countertop. On the opposite side, you can install a full-height cabinet designed to accommodate the refrigerator, helping the appliance blend into the cabinetry while adding more vertical storage. With these additions, the kitchen gains significantly more storage while keeping appliances neatly integrated within the overall design. At the center wall, you can also add a floating shelf that provides a place for seasoning jars or small decorative kitchen items. Installed underneath, LED strip lighting improves countertop visibility and adds a warm ambient glow to the kitchen. Finally, ceiling track lighting helps distribute light across the entire kitchen work zone, making the cooking and preparation areas brighter and more functional. The kitchen now feels more complete, organized, and visually connected to the rest of the home while maximizing storage in a compact space. A home transformation does not always require expanding the space. Often, the real difference comes from improving the layout, choosing furniture that fits the room, and adding storage that keeps everyday items organized. If you're planning to redesign your own home, these same principles can help you create a space that feels more comfortable, functional, and visually balanced. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.